Spice and boyfriend Justin having way too much fun on their vacation in Jamaica. They are living it up. The Queen of Dancehall arrived in Jamaica 2 weeks ago and was later joined by her beau, Justin Bud, for another fun-filled vacation, yard style. After being away for more than 2 months, Spice was simply over the moon to finally touch down on Jamaican soil again when she landed at the Norman Manley International Airport on May 13. She made a mini video twerking upon her arrival to the beat of her hit song, Go Down There.
Early morning low, she get it good from she rise, but put it on so good I make she shake out she ties. Smile. Go down there, go down there. Wine for your good makes it a drip off of me body.
Spice captured the moment on her Instagram page. When you haven't been home in 2 months, watch pull over upon roadside, watch our girl happy. She further added that the first thing she wanted to do was quench a longing for some local cuisine. I don't know what to eat first. I'm gonna catch colic when I am done. Mama, put on the pot, please. Another post followed that saw her visiting one of her favorite food joints, Living Room Bar and Dining in Kingston. Although it wasn't until Justin landed on the island last Saturday to embark on their vacation that things actually got excited to watch, especially when he, Justin, aka Spider Rasta, climbed the mango tree in her backyard to pick her a ripe East Indian mango. Get you a man that will feed you any means necessary. I want this mango so bad. Jamaican mango tree in my backyard, she captioned the
Then
post.
you'll get weak and can't go no further. Alright. You have to pick a ripe one, you know. Oh, God. Yeah, babe, you did it. You're ripe. You can't just pick it, so you have to feel it if you're ripe.
Yeah, it's a good one. It's soft.
You
Better
have
than one I ate already.
You sure? Catch the cement drain.
Andre.
Wait. Don't make it bust, you know.
That one
Yeah.
better than it. Yeah, this one's good.
One more.
Yeah.
One more, man. Yay! One more. You better be careful. And then jump again. Well done.
Justin and Spice Beacation adventure then began. Dancing in the river. The two wasted no time heading to Blue Hole in Ocheras for a day of splashing about and dancing in the river. Spice shared a clip as she twerked it out to the Go Down the track, which had a mesmerized Bud pulling closer for some of the action. To eventually go down under the water, Spice wrote in the hilarious post, "When he will even drown for the cookie." Next, it was hotel bound. They later checked into the adults only escape, Excellent Oyster Bay Hotel in Falmouth, Trelawney, and the next day woke up to a breakfast spread of ackee and saltfish, boiled dumpling, yam, plantain, and a nice cup of mint tea, plus a bucket of Magnum tonic wine to get the day started right. They had a relaxing Sunday chilling at the resort. For Spice, she went swinging in the ocean, donning a sheer white cover-up with her blue mane flowing in the wind. Approaching dusk, Justin was seen popping champagne on the balcony of their luxurious-looking suite. As the days rolled by, the two lovebirds would share intimate moments, canoodling and smooching in the pool. And of course, Spice never missed an opportunity for a mini photo shoot. Gave us full glamour. The fun continued when Spice and Justin's party ended with a bucket of cold water. Like two kids pranking each other, the two took turns yanking a rope to dunk cold water on each other's head to much surprise and laughter. A bucket of cold water is like a bullet. You better run. J. Bud Media, this spa day with you was a memorable one. I can't stop laughing. A vacation well spent before they pack up and retreated back to the real world. Justin jetted off to Atlanta for work, and Spice, who recently renewed her partnership with Magnum Tonic Wine as their brand ambassador, is out and about promoting her latest project, the Dung Dance Challenge, for a Jamaican $1 million cash prize giveaway courtesy of Magnum Tonic Wine.